What is the difference between a decentralized and a centralized crypto wallet? If you are new to crypto, make sure to watch to the end. Decentralized wallets are non-custodial wallets. Examples are Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, and Exodus. You don't use an email or phone number to sign up. The platforms use what they call private key. This wallet doesn't have access to your money. The app only gives you access through your private key or seed phrase. Nobody can help you reset it. Nobody can freeze your funds. Nobody can access your account unless you expose your seed phrase. Now, who are the developers and why can't they access your account since they wrote the code? It is because of how the technology works, not because they are nice people. The wallet doesn't store your money. Think of a decentralized wallet like a remote control, not a bank. It doesn't hold the money, it just lets you access it on the blockchain. Now let's dive into centralized wallet or exchange. Centralized means one company controls everything. They manage the platform, your account, and your funds. Examples are Bybit, Binance, Bitget, and Coinbase. If you want to sign up here, you use an email, phone number, and password. It is just like your local bank account, but for crypto. Here are the things you can do on a centralized exchange that you cannot do on a standard decentralized wallet. You can trade futures, use leverage, copy trade, set stop loss, and take profits. Another thing is fiat. On a centralized exchange, you can deposit with your bank transfer, use P2P, or even withdraw straight to your bank. Centralized platform also have customer support. If you forget your password, you can reset it. But with a decentralized wallet, if you lose your seed phrase, that is the end. Nobody can help you recover it. So the idea is simple. Centralized give you more features and convenience, but they control your assets. Decentralized give you full control, but no support. If you learned something from this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on X, share this video to your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group. And again, if you are serious about finding opportunity, click the link in my bio or the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community where I share updates and opportunity every week. So see you in my next post.